Hi! Hello everybody. Let's work on our high X block, or Ssang, Ssang Su, Mahk. Ssang, Ssang Su, Mahk. One more time. Ssang, Ssang Su, Mahk in Korean. High X block. Good. Our jab mode is going to be the exact same as our low X block. Good. We're going to crust and back. Good. Jab load and back. Jam load and back. Jam load and back. Let's add the block. Ready? Jam load. Now, as I start to push this block up, I'm going to open my hands, because this block is usually used for capture. If somebody thought something is coming towards our head and we want to capture that, we want to open our hands and we want to create a thing. Notice how I'm pushing my elbows out. I don't want to have my elbows in so my face is not seen. Elbows out, fingers together, nice and strong. Good, and reset. And block. Hey! Now my right hand is the one that's closest to my face. When I'm with the top hand that I block with, the top hand is the one that's closest to my face. Hey! Good, push those elbows out. Other side, ready? Hey! Reset. Hey! Hey! Let's add the stance. Ready? Jam load, step, twist, bring it up. Hey! This time, left foot forward, left hand in the front, which is the furthest hand away from me. Ready? Reset. Jam load, step, twist, bring it up. Hey! Make sure your whole head is seen. Good. And reset. One more time. Jam load, step, twist, bring it up. Hey! Reset. Very good. Other side. Ready? Jam load, step, twist, bring it up. Hey! Reset. Jam load, step, twist, bring it up. Hey! Reset. Sorry, I just hit my mic. Ready? Jam load, step, twist, bring it up. Hey! And reset. Very good. That is our high X block, or Ssang, Ssang Su, Mahk in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.